Are you over 40? Then, here's something most people don't realize. Your body doesn't work the same way it did at 25. Digestion slows down, metabolism drops, weight becomes harder to manage. So here's the real question. Is what you're drinking first thing in the morning helping your body or quietly working against it? Today, we're talking about drinking clove water before breakfast and what it actually does to your body after 40. Why this matters after 40. After 40, hormonal shifts begin. Insulin sensitivity may decrease. Digestive enzyme production slows. Inflammation levels can gradually increase. That's why your morning routine becomes more important than ever. What's inside cloves? Cloves contain eugenol, a powerful natural antioxidant, anti-inflammatory compounds, mild antimicrobial properties. Eugenol is the key active compound responsible for many of cloves' potential benefits. When and how to drink it. Best time, first thing in the morning, on an empty stomach, about 15-20 minutes before breakfast. How to prepare it. Option 1. Soak 2-3 whole cloves in a cup of water overnight. Strain and drink in the morning. Option 2. Boil 2-3 cloves in water for about 5 minutes. Let it cool slightly and drink warm. Important, more is not better. Stick to 2-3 cloves once per day. Potential benefits for adults over 40. Used properly, clove water may support healthy digestion, help reduce bloating, provide antioxidant protection, support metabolic function, help stabilize blood sugar levels. It's not a miracle, but it can be a supportive habit. Who should be careful? You should consult your doctor if you have ulcers or severe acid reflux, take blood-thinning medication, have liver disease, are pregnant. Too much clove can irritate the stomach and may interact with certain medications. Let's be clear what it does not do. Clove water does not cure diabetes, reverse kidney disease, melt fat overnight, replace prescribed medication. It's a supportive wellness habit, not a medical treatment. After 40, your health is shaped by small, consistent choices. Clove water, when used moderately and responsibly, may support digestion and metabolic health. But remember, no single drink replaces a balanced diet, movement, and proper medical care. If you found this helpful, subscribe for practical science-based health advice designed for adults over 40.